Okay, hi YouTube. Today I'm gonna cut my own hair and shave off my eyebrows. Well, I'm gonna shave off like half my eyebrows. Why am I doing it? I mean, for what reason? I don't know. To get Brad Mondo's attention? No, I don't know. I haven't had bangs in forever. Like since fucking high school or some shit. Literally since high school, oh my god. Oh, kitty. I'm in here with a stray cat that I found. I streamed live on Twitch as soon as I found him. Look at how cute he is. He's so cuddly. Yeah, go to my Twitch channel if you want to watch that and get some lore on the new kitty that I got. I'm cutting my bangs. I haven't had bangs since like high school. I'm trying to get like this kind of vibe. I'll put some pictures of my old vibe. Cringe. I don't know if this is gonna look bad. It's probably gonna look bad, but it's whatever. My hair grows back pretty fast. If my hairdresser finds this video, the cat is trying to get in the toilet. If my hairdresser sees this video, I'm so sorry. I just really feel the need to do this right now. And then the eyebrows, I mean, I'm really nervous about it, but I'm not too worried because I don't think it's that hard to draw them in with makeup, so I'll probably be fine. Kitty, please calm down. I'm about to like go to shave my eyebrow and the cat is gonna jump up and bump my arm at the wrong time and I'll like accidentally shave off the whole thing. He just stares at me and waits for pets. You can see that part of his ear is missing. He was crying because I have him in a separate room of the house away from my other pets. And he doesn't like being in there alone. So I put him in the bathroom with me with the door closed while I do this video. Look at how sweet. Oh. I'm kind of stinky. I have smelly breath. I'm gonna start with the bangs first. Because I plan on putting makeup on after I do my eyebrows, so I don't wanna mess up my makeup by getting my hair wet or something, I don't know. Brad Mondo, please notice me. What if I title this video like something funny, like a desperate cry for Brad Mondo's attention? I feel like the video would probably have to be more entertaining than just a fucking girl cutting her bangs. A girl cutting herself some side-swept bangs. Wow, crazy. I feel like I'd have to fuck my hair up for him to react to it and make it interesting. Maybe I will fuck it up really bad, but I've cut my hair a bunch of times. I used to only cut my own bangs when I was in high school. And I mean, I'm not saying they look the best, but I like them. I'm going to be using these cheap hair cutting scissors I bought on eBay like 7 years ago. Cute. It's a look. It's a vibe. I don't know why I bought them on eBay. I don't know why I did that. It's a weird place to buy fucking scissors. Okay. I'm so scared. This is gonna turn out so bad. Oh my god, my hair's so long. I think I'm going a little too far back. Can't fucking see shit because my hair's so long. Okay, that looks fucking stupid. Cat, please stop drinking out of the toilet. Okay, I need to fucking do something with this. I'm about to just fucking stupid idiot tries to cut her own hair for 10 minutes straight. Look at this little crusty hair over here. Okay. Oh my god, I need to stop again. I'm just gonna say fuck it. Fuck it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna say fuck it. I think this is like kind of where I want to start. It's a good amount of hair. It's not like too much. I don't think it's too little. I just want to relive my wannabe scene kid days where I had really swoopy bangs that fucking covered half my forehead. Oh, I should do a video like that where I dress up as a scene kid. Okay. People were saying that it's good to take like a top layer and cut it separately so you have like a little bit more definition, not definition, like more layers, like more texture to your hair. When you're trying to do side swept bangs, you're supposed to pull them opposite the side that you want them to fall. So I want them to go this way. So I'm going to pull them this way and cut them like so. And I'm going to try not to do them too short. Should I go like this? I should use my finger more. Okay. Struggle, I'm struggling. I probably want it like that. Oh my god. Fucking scared. I'm trying to put it, I want the hair to fall on the desk so it's easier to clean up. Can you guys even see? Boom. I feel like I went really short. Okay, why did I do this? What am I doing? Oh my god, it's gonna be so bad. I'm gonna blow dry it so it like lands more where I want. I have no fucking idea what I'm doing, guys. This is my second video. Haven't cut my own hair in like 10 fucking years. I filming this? I'm probably gonna call my hairdresser crying. Like, I'm so sorry. Please make me pretty again. He'd probably be like, babe, I can't get you in for like a fucking month, so. I already feel like my teenage self. Oh my god, ew. Am I going through a midlife crisis? I feel like I am. Oh god. I mean, for barely even cutting them, like I didn't even like go in and like refine it or try to do anything. They don't look that bad. I kind of look like, with my hair back, I kind of look like I low-key have like a Karen cut going on. Like if this had a little bit more volume. Oh, I'm not fucking mad. Other people are probably like, bitch, it doesn't really look good. And I mean, maybe it doesn't look good, but it doesn't look horrible. I feel like I went in a time machine. Like, I feel like I should be listening to fucking Pierce the Veil again and Sleeping with Sirens or some shit. Ew. I kind of hate it. Fuck. I keep on going back and forth. I'm just gonna give myself some layers. I don't really know how. I just do what I did when I was like a kid or a teenager. That's something that a reason I really wanted bangs is because I don't fucking like how my hair looks down if I have no bangs. Like, I fucking hate if I look like this, like, hey, what's up? No, it makes me not want to put my hair in a ponytail ever. Do I look like my high school self. Midlife crisis. Okay. It's eyebrow time. It's eyebrow time, bitch. Now I'm constantly gonna be like doing that thing where you're like constantly gonna be touching my fucking bangs. I'm sorry I do weird things with my tongue. It's just like when I'm bored, I just want to be like, look at all the hair. This is most of it. Does that smell good? Ooh, my hair does smell good. No shit, what the fuck's wrong with me? I'm so, what the fuck? Oh my god, I'm scared. Let's moisten the eyebrow area. Oh my god, I have not put any thought into this. Like, I can't think about it too much, or else I'll get like really freaked out and be like, I can't do it. So I'm not gonna think about it, I'm just gonna fucking do it. And, you know, if it turns out weird, it'll probably grow back in like a week, so it's fine. Hi baby, I'm about to look really weird. Oh my god, I'm so scared. You know that fucking noise? You that like meme noise when someone's freaking out, or like on TikTok it's like me right now. Oh god. Interesting. Is this the best thing I've ever done in my life? Is this a good decision that I've made? Wow, that wasn't as bad as I thought. I thought I was gonna do it and be like, it looks horrible. I might have to shave it more. Hi. Oh god. Yeah, I'm gonna do makeup speedrun edition. Okay. I should be looking at a picture for like inspiration, but I'm lazy, so. Alright, now I have to try to make them match. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that. I don't know how I feel. I definitely made it like a little bit more straight and a little bit higher. Like I have a little bit more brow space. Okay, so it's actually been a week since the first time I shaved these bad boys. Yeah, I just felt like I needed to shave and pluck them a little bit more. So this is the final product. It looks kind of funny, yeah, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I just really wasn't that happy with how they turned out last time. Even when I drew them on, I just felt like I needed to fix it up a little bit. But I'll show you what they look like with makeup on. This is how my eyebrows look now. I think they look a lot better than before I shaved them. And I think I drew them on a little bit better this time too, compared to the other, my little checkpoint eyebrow that I used to have. I feel like my eyebrow used to look like a checkpoint. Like it was so, like the tail of it was so sharply angled or whatever. So yeah, I 10 out of 10 would recommend this. I think I'm gonna like do this I think I'm never gonna stop shaving my eyebrows off and drawing them back on. I just think it looks way better. I still can't get my eyebrows to look the same, really. Like, they never look the same. It just, this eyebrow's always cuter. This whole side, no, I don't like it. But overall, my eyebrows look better like this. Also, it's only been a week, but I've already shaved them like 3 times. The hair grows back so fucking fast. But it's a look, it's a vibe, and it's like fun because I can play around with the shape more if I want. No more checkpoint eyebrow. Well, what do you guys think of my little eyebrow transformation? Do you guys think this was a stupid video? What did we learn today? We learned don't be a dumb bitch. Just don't cut your hair at home. It never really looks that good. I would say the shaving eyebrows thing isn't a big deal. Like, fuck it. If you want to try to see how you look by shaving your eyebrows and trying something different, it's not that big of a deal. Like, it's not that hard to cover up. I will try to upload another video soon, preferably one that's watchable and not a hot piece of garbage.